In today's video, I'll be covering 10 signs of a covert narcissist. If you enjoy content like this, remember to like and subscribe for more. Identifying a covert narcissist can be a subtle and intricate task, as individuals with this personality trait excel at concealing their self-centered tendencies beneath a veneer of humility. Unlike their overt counterparts, covert narcissists mask their grandiosity with a facade of sensitivity and victimhood. These individuals may exhibit excessive sensitivity to criticism, play the victim card, and display a lack of genuine empathy. Their manipulative behavior is often subtle, involving passive-aggressive tactics and a penchant for seeking attention indirectly. Covert narcissists may struggle with authentic connections, harbor a fear of rejection, and exhibit envy towards others. Recognizing these signs can be crucial for navigating relationships and understanding the underlying dynamics at play. In this exploration, we delve into the nuanced behaviors that may indicate the presence of covert narcissism, shedding light on the intricacies of this personality trait. 1.